Hello my friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this candle warmer lamp. So this is kind of a neat thing. What it does is, it uses a heat lamp basically to warm up your candles and allow the scent to dissipate into the air instead of burning. So it comes with two of these light bulbs here. So instead of burning the wick, it just uses these light bulbs here. There's two of them. That's going to heat up the wax. So I kind of like that better. I'm kind of sensitive to smoke and stuff like that. So here is the lamp. It actually looks pretty nice. It's actually pretty elegant here. Okay, so there it is. It's a pretty good looking little lamp there actually. I like the nice glass cover here. And I believe that this is adjustable, the height, I want to say. Let me see if I can loosen this up here. Thought it was, but maybe it's not. I don't want to break it with, maybe I should read the instructions. There's no instructions. 1 second here. All right, yes, it is adjustable, so this just unscrews. It was just on there really tight, and then this can go up and down depending on the height of your candle, and then you can just tighten that back down, and it should lock it into place. Okay, so definitely elegant. The light bulbs, just put those two little notches up there, and I'm going to plug them in and then just turn it clockwise. Okay, but that looks pretty nice. And then we're just going to plug it into the wall here. I like to show how big the cord is, how long it is here. Okay, that's about 6 feet long. Then we have on the cord, we have the power, plus, minus, and a timer as a 2, 4, and 8 hour timer on there. It'll turn off automatically, so that's pretty cool. Let's actually just go set this up and see how well it works here. Well friends, here it is, and you can see that the wax is melting. I can just kind of pour it over there. That's kind of nice. I can smell the scent of the candle there. It smells really nice. All right, let's check out the remote here, or not remote, but the controls. So I can dim the light if I want to, and just make it a little less, and then also brighten it up there. But I like how that looks too. It looks pretty cool. We have this nice little dome on top, and it puts out a nice little candle glow there. You can set the timers here too. Super easy. Just press it for what time you want it to be. 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours, and then it'll go off automatically. So that's kind of nice. No risk of flame or anything like that, so that's always good, especially if you have little kids around. You have to always watch them, so there's not going to be any contact there. It does get a little, well actually that's not really warm. Underneath it's definitely warm enough to melt wax, but it looks pretty cool. I like the little the glass portion on top. It looks nice. It also has a large base here, so we can see that this here is like, looks like bamboo, and has this felt on the bottom to keep it from rolling around or sliding around here very easily. So that is that. Yeah, I like it. I don't like candle soot everywhere. If you burn candles, it does get soot on things, so this is pretty cool. Anyways, my friends, I think it's an elegant piece. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.